What was that?
Robbie.
It's heaven. You have to, in heaven, you have to chase it down, right?
You try to hide right
You think they're gonna find you?
Idiots.
Idiots. Remember me.
Oh, I thought that was Piggy. This is some frozen thing.
A frozen piggy.
No, Piggy. Chill.
Remember me.
Is it coming?
For history, for history.
Poggers. Well, I got the orange key. No.
What's that warning? Ah, it's Piggy! Piggy's right behind you. Jesus Christ.
Ah, no. Oh.
Ooh, jumping scare. Oh. That's what will be. This is not gonna happen. Let's see the piggies you can get. Show them the latest piggy. Those are some good piggies. Oh, show them the piggies again. Who's down? Sorry. Show them the piggies. Some pretty good piggies. Some pretty good piggies that we don't have.
You must get Robux. Did you know that we have Robux?
No Robux? We're gonna cut when we're in the game.
Nice car.
This is some good text.
Ah. Achoo. We must find keys.
One good key. Was that a dinosaur?
Yeah.
Piggy killed all the dinosaurs. Autumn, Piggy killed all the dinosaurs. That's the true theory.
Already? Robux.
Did you see that?
Give me Robux.
Oh, guys, post. This. I'm giving you this video to tell you this. If we get over 20K likes, we'll make lots more. I mean, a lot more. No, it's gonna be just one long video. Like and subscribe for that. 20K.
6.
Huh?
Imagine you had 6 views.
6 views.
Lol.
For this whole video. No, imagine we do get 20K and we have to make that hour-long video. It is not even an hour-long.
I'm so pro at playing Piggy.
Did you just die?
Huh?
Is that Robin Hood Piggy?
No, it's Dad Piggy.
I'm Mama Pig. No. Wait. How was it? How did they say it?
Huh. Wait, what? What do you mean, how did they say it? I'm Peppa Pig. Huh?
This is my little brother George. Nigga. This is Daddy Pig. Cha-ching.
It's Mommy Pig.
This is Mommy Pig. Yes, we murdered one of my family. Where are, huh? I'm so confused.
How?
Huh?
What do you mean you're so confused?
I thought I saw a piggy.
You did.
Oh.
No.
Haha. Saw that?
I just realized that piggy should get knocked down when we slam it in the face.
Why is he the same?
Don't tell me I'm the only player.
Self
I
again.
am.
You're the what? Only you're an only player again. Right, Autumn?
I hate this.
You died 2 times. 3 times. 3 times and you're gone. We'll see you when we get to the game.
Good night, girl.
And we're
I'll see you tomorrow.
not sure.
Wait, I can go through things? Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, for bitches for not knowing how to do stuff.
I'm gonna have to demonetize. No, I'm gonna have to warn this video.
Did you know that you can cheat and win the game?
Tell them how you can do that.
So
By buying my merch. The merch that I don't have yet.
that's sus. I can grab items?
No.
Guess not.
Autumn, you're doing too much.
Wait, what happened to the dude? Give me Robux. I forgot. Where's Piggy?
I don't know. Okay, we're gonna have to end this video. Have a good day, guys. And y'all are some great fans. Bye.